Hey there, welcome to our channel TechStudio. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can copy the mobile number or your SIM card or in your Gmail ID. So for that, first you need to simply tap on contact, and once you appear here, you need to tap on fix and manage on the bottom right corner of the screen. You can simply find that, and you will be access to this fix and manage page where you need to tap on manage SIM next to merge and fix, and here are the contacts you want to import to your email ID or your SIM. So simply you can tick mark any one of the mobile number you want to copy, or on tick mark from here also you can do like this. Once you are done with that, then on the top you will see save to. So simply you can tap that and find any one of the account or device. Also you can select that, and just simply you need to tap on import on top right corner, and now the contacts has already been imported. So this is it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.